Welcome back, everyone. If you want to make your YouTube videos easier to navigate, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add chapters to your YouTube videos, both automatically and manually. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's start with the automatic method. Open YouTube Studio and select the video you want to edit. Click on the Details option, then scroll down until you find the Automatic Chapters section. Make sure to check the box for Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments, then save your changes. Now, you'll see chapter titles appear at the bottom of your video description. If you want this feature enabled for all your future or past uploads, go to your studio settings. Select Upload Defaults, then Advanced Settings. Here, check the box for Automatic Chapters and Key Moments and save. This way, YouTube will automatically add chapters to all your videos. If you prefer to add chapters manually, there are a few things to remember. Your first timestamp must start at 000. You need at least 3 timestamps in order, and each chapter should be at least 10 seconds long. Just add your timestamps and titles in the video description. Save your changes, and you'll see the segments appear in the video's scrubber bar. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to add chapters to your YouTube videos both ways. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.